GLT International has been an established provider of custom services and knowledge to major harness manufacturers since 1990. We produce products for most wire harness coverings, such as low-temp and high-temp vinyls with adhesive, heat-reflective foils, mastic and potting material, heat-shrink tubing, die-cut components to reduce EMI interference.
We know it's a very competitive market out there, but understanding your application, making sure we supply the best product and within specification at a competitive price, that's what we're all about. We are always working with our suppliers and our customers to develop the next generation of products. You just don't find that level of commitment with everyone.
GLT supplies high-quality products to the world's leading wire harness manufacturers, and we understand the challenges that come with managing production on a global scale. Complexity, volatility, and uncertainty in the supply chain can leave you vulnerable to expensive and embarrassing production delays. Let us use our extensive experience to support your international operations and minimize your risk.
We understand that you are under a lot of pressure to meet cost guidelines, as well as strict OEM specifications. We are very responsive and will make sure that we meet your specs for instrument panel harnesses, engine components, electronic devices, and many more. You need someone who's truly knowledgeable about the products, who understands your business and values our relationship and your reputation. We make it easy for you to do business with us.
GLT International. Solutions that stick. Call 248-537-3335 or visit us online at gltape.com.